In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clouds in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're aiming for a sky theme, a playful background, or a soft visual accent behind your content, cloud shapes are a quick built-in way to make your slides feel polished and engaging. Start by signing in to your Microsoft account and opening PowerPoint. On the home screen, you can either jump back into a recent file or browse your presentations. Open the presentation where you want to work, then look at the slide thumbnails on the left and select the exact slide that needs the cloud. Choosing the slide first helps you place shapes exactly where you intend. With the slide active, head to the Insert tab. Select Shapes, then find the cloud icon in the Shapes gallery. Click the cloud to activate the drawing tool, move your pointer onto the slide, and click and drag to draw the shape. Release the mouse when you're happy with the size. You can resize using the corner handles for proportional scaling, and use the rotation handle to adjust the angle. If your text sits on top of the cloud, make sure the cloud isn't covering anything important. Place it behind titles or off to one side so it frames the content nicely. To keep your design cohesive, you can fine-tune the look with the shape's fill and outline so it matches your theme colors. A lighter fill or subtle transparency can make the slide feel airy without stealing attention from your message. Want multiple clouds on the same slide? Repeat the same quick routine. Go to Insert, choose Shapes, pick the cloud again, and drag to draw another one. Vary the sizes a bit for a more natural look. Larger shapes can sit near the bottom of the slide as foreground elements and smaller ones toward the top for depth. Leave comfortable spacing so the slide stays readable and uncluttered. If you'd like clouds on another slide, select that slide's thumbnail to switch to it. Then repeat the process once more. Insert, Shapes, Cloud, and Draw. Handling each slide individually ensures you can adjust cloud placement, size, and style to fit the content on that specific page. When you've added everything you need, take a moment to run a quick slideshow preview. Check that your clouds enhance the visuals without blocking icons, charts, or text. Save your presentation and you're all set. You now know the simplest, most reliable way to add cloud shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint.